Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to choose and move your favorite apps on your Amazon Fire Stick. So on the home screen here, you can see these 6 different applications right here. Now you can add favorites to this little bar right here at any point in time. So let's go on all the way over to here and then scroll on down and go to My Apps. Otherwise, you can hold down the home button and then go to Apps right here. And this is a little shortcut. Now go over the app you want to go in, select. So let's go to maybe news and press the horizontal 3-line button on our remote right next to the home button. And then we have the option to move. And we can move this down here. Otherwise, we can go to this application right here and move this to the front. So you can easily just move all the different applications back and forth, and you can decide which ones you want on the top bar. So I just made YouTube, Netflix, and Twitch my top 3. Then I got Pluto and Prime Video over here, and maybe I'll look for a 6th one. So let's move this one to the top and go right here. Boom. Now as soon as I go back to the home screen, it should be reflecting. So here's downloader here, Prime Video, Pluto TV, Twitch, and Netflix and YouTube. But hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.